welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the alphabets and fruits. Orange color in A. A for apple. Yellow color in B. B for banana. Light blue color in C. C for cherry. Wow! Dark green color in leaves. Brown color. Red color in apple. Yellow color in banana. Red color in cherry. I like the cherry. A, B, C. A for apple, B for banana, C for cherry. A, B, C. A for apple, B for banana, C for cherry. A, B, C. Apple, banana, cherry. A, B, C. Apple, banana, cherry. Wow! Kids, our beautiful alphabets with fruits are ready. Subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.